Like and subscribe. Free crypto bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. What's up my crypto legends, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be reviewing the Gold Digger Bitcoin lottery miner from Bitcoin Merge. Guys, this is the third miner that I will be reviewing from Bitcoin Merge. I have already shown you the Gold Nugget lottery miner and the Nerd Miner V2. This time I'll be talking about the Gold Digger lottery miner. In my opinion, this one actually looks the coolest, okay? But for all the new viewers, just let me give you a quick intro. So this is a legit Bitcoin lottery miner, okay? It has 1000 kilohashes mining speed. You can connect it to your PC or laptop or USB-C charger. And every 10 minutes you have a chance of winning 3 bitcoins. But guys, just to give you the perspective right away, so as I said, this one has 1000 kilohashes. Here on the website sololuck.com you can check out what your chances actually are. So this device has 1000 kilohashes, so you can see that your chance of winning a Bitcoin block with this is extremely low, okay? As I have stated in my previous video, this is an educational miner, first of all, okay? This is a great thing for you to learn how Bitcoin network works, to learn how to set up your Bitcoin wallet, your Bitcoin miner, and so on. So I would say that its primary purpose is being an educational miner. It's a great thing as a gift for every crypto Bitcoin enthusiast. And yeah, so let me now show you actually how the device looks like. Okay guys, so in my previous videos I have not focused so much on the miners themselves, like what you can see on the screen and so on. So let's do that now. So guys, you know how they say all the greatest discoveries are made by accident. So this gold nugget accidentally fell out of my hand on the floor, and I have noticed that it has changed the screen. So guys, let me now show you the first miner that I have reviewed, and that is the Gold Nugget lottery miner, okay? So guys, this is the default screen. This is the default screen that it has, okay? So here you can check out the mining speed. Here you can see the best difficulty that this miner has done. Here is the place where if you ever find a Bitcoin block, you will see a number 1 here, okay? So I don't know if the screen will focus a little bit more, but there's also some other data here, like the total network hash rate and so on. But yeah, the goddamn screen won't focus. But anyways guys, yeah, so as I have said, it has multiple screens, okay? So it has like a touch screen. Okay, so this is the second screen. On the second screen you can set it up like this, so you can see the Bitcoin price here in the top left corner. Here you can see the actual time, the date and year, and the hashing speed. And it has one more screen. So this is the third screen. So here are the actual like top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cryptos, I guess, by market cap. So yeah, you can put this screen on and you can see the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, BCH, Solana, Litecoin, XRP and Doge. You can see the actual current price and the price movement. So really nice guys, really nice gadget. You can set it up, you can set up the screen that you want. So yeah, this one is actually probably the coolest one. And yeah, here is the default screen. So guys, here is the Nerd Miner V2. I have shown you this in my previous video. Oh, goddamn, image won't focus. But anyways guys, on this screen you can see that the hashing power and the block templates, best difficulty, and so on. So this one also has one more screen. you press this button, and yeah, here you can see it also has like a screen that shows you the clock and the hashing speed and the current block and the Bitcoin price. And here's one more screen. Oh, it actually has a couple of more of them, okay. So I think I will actually take a photo with my phone, with my camera, to show you all the screens. Okay guys, so I have taken a picture with my camera. I think it's a better look like this, okay. So this is the Gold Nugget Lottery Miner default screen, okay. Yeah, it looks really cool. So the second screen is this one. It's like a clock, date, current Bitcoin price and the miner hash rate. And the third one is the top 6 cryptos, or 7, 8 cryptos, the current price, the price movement. So yeah, really nice. So the Gold Nugget Lottery Miner has 3 screens. The next one is the Nerd Miner, okay. So this one is actually the weakest one. It has a 70 kilohashes mining power, but it has the most screens, okay. So here you can see it on the second screen. There's a clock, current block, current Bitcoin block number, the price of the Bitcoin, and the mining speed. Okay, the third screen is this one. So there's like a difficulty, the global hash rate of the Bitcoin network, the number of the current block, halving. So I believe this is like how many blocks are left until the next halving. And here you can also check the Bitcoin price and the time. So the last screen is this one. I don't know actually what's the difference here. Okay, so here you can see the Bitcoin price, the current block, the hashing rate and the current time. So guys, this is the Gold Digger Lottery Miner. So this one actually looks like the default screen from the Gold Nugget. But yeah, so on the second screen you also have the clock, current date, mining power, and they also have the top 8 cryptos, current price and price movement. Guys, once more, these are educational Bitcoin miners. These are not Bitcoin miners that have like a high hashing power, okay? You should look at this as like a toy or a gadget, something to have fun with, okay? Not to have like huge expectations to like think that this will make you rich one day. As I said, the chances of hitting a Bitcoin block are extremely low, so let's take a look once more. So with the Gold Nugget Lottery Miner and the Gold Digger, both of them have 1000 kilohashes mining power. So let's say that you have both of these, you have 2000 kilohashes mining power, and coupled with the Nerd Miner that has like 70 kilohashes. So still your chances are unbelievably low, okay guys, unbelievably low. You could be running these miners all the way until Bitcoin gets mined to the last one, but you will probably not hit a block, okay? So once more guys, I have to emphasize that these miners are educational, fun Bitcoin miners. They are perfect as a gift for anyone. You can gift it to people who have no clue about Bitcoin, and you can also gift it to people who are crypto enthusiasts but don't have any kinds of Bitcoin miners at home, okay? So some use cases are, you can maybe have one of these on your nightstand to have like a clock and to always be aware of the current Bitcoin price. If you ask me personally, I don't know why no one has made like an alarm clock with these miners, or a radio. I think that would be insane to have like a Bitcoin mining radio and alarm clock. I would definitely have that on my nightstand, you know. But yeah, even now, I think this year will be a crazy year for Bitcoin miners, guys. Already people are starting to manufacture some crazy things like Bitcoin water heaters and Bitcoin 3D printers, and I think we will see a lot more of these unique Bitcoin miners in the future, okay? But anyways, guys, you can order the Gold Digger lottery miner through the link in the description below. If you will be buying something from Bitcoin merch, make sure to use my code FREECRYPTO and you will get a total of 5% discount. So yeah, that would be it for this video, guys. I have a couple of more of these other lottery miners, so yeah, I'm gonna make a video soon about them. I have shown you the setup in my previous videos, but if you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave in the comments. I will help you gladly, okay? And once more, guys, as I said, you need to have fun, okay? You need to be relaxed and have fun with these miners. You need to customize them, pick the color that you want, and find a nice spot on your table next to your PC or laptop. A nice place for this beautiful, amazing Bitcoin miner, okay? Thank you very much, my dear crypto legends. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.